my channel. Today I am back with a very exciting video. I got invited to the Barbie premiere. Like, oh my god, I am so excited. So I'm going to be vlogging today's event. I am going to be going with my hubby. So we both got invited and it's going to be amazing. It's going to be very girly. There's going to be lots of pink, lots of Barbie things, and I can't wait to vlog. So I hope you love today's video, and I do have a little footage of me getting ready, like doing my makeup and the outfit that I chose, and then I'll be filming during the event. So let's go ahead and get started.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh.
So for my outfit, I have 2 different ones that I am very undecisive, but I think I'm going to go with this outfit here from Zara. It's like a little vest, and it comes with a mini skirt. It's adorable. I actually got this a couple years ago and I've never worn it out except for like a photo shoot, so I think this will be the one. It is in the perfect shade of pink and it's giving me Barbie vibes, so I think that'll be it. And then for the shoes, I will be wearing my gorgeous new shoes from Aldo. They are Barbie and they are gorgeous, like stunning, absolutely stunning. So I'll definitely be using these with this outfit. And this will be the purse that I'll be using for tonight's event. It is the Barbie purse from Aldo. Isn't she such a beauty? I am obsessed. I am so glad I picked this up. It's definitely one of my favorite purses at the moment, and it's just going to look incredibly cute with this outfit. This is the outfit for today's event. It is from Zara, and I'm sporting my Aldo Barbie purse and my super cute Barbie heels. They're so glittery. I love them. So this will be my outfit. What do you girls think? Here's a little close-up of the makeup. I did do a little bit of pink with this pink lipstick from Sephora, and I think it's perfect. I love it.
I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we. So let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. The sunset's on fire, tell me your desires. We're not getting tired, baby, take me higher. I'm sunny.
Talk to me, it's what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. You wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome?
Oh my god, this is so cute. I like pink popcorn.
You broke it on too?
This is adorable. Like how cool it's really. So cute.
Oh my god.
Isn't that adorable?
Oh my god. It's amazing.
Love it.
Sometimes you think about all the ways I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. Oh, we're gonna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? Oh, you make me up, hey, let's go out. When I see you moving up, hey, like me up. I love when you go like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend.
So here are the goodie bags that me and my husband got at the Showcase Cinema. They are so cute. These bags can definitely be used to go to the beach. And there is a little pin in here that says Barbie. And this is what's inside. There is a Barbie doll. It's so pretty. I love it. And then there is this little cup that you can put a drink inside with a straw. It's very cute. And there is another little bag, like a reusable tote bag. There's also a pair of heart sunglasses. These are adorable. I'm definitely going to display those. And some chocolates. Let me show you what was in his bag. So there's also another cute little tote bag. And this one here has like hearts. And there is a Barbie doll in here. So cute, and I love the dress on this one. This is so adorable. And then there's also another drink cup, some more sunglasses, and some chocolate. These tote bags are so cute.